Our verb for today is read. Read. So for read, you're going to use your two fingers and you're going to up and down. I want you to think that these are your eyeballs scanning the page. They're not on the page. They're scanning the page. And my page is an open B. Read. Now, let's put that in the sentence. I like. I, point to yourself. I and me are the same. You're using your pointer finger. I like. Open 5 hand, touching your chest, coming out, and the middle and the thumb are touching. I like. Books. Books. Open B hands, books. 2 times. I like read magazines. Magazine is done with this. It starts with an X, but your thumb is actually involved because it's holding on to the other side of your page. So go on the pinky side here, and I want you to think that you're touching the edges of a magazine to unstick the pages. Magazine. Newspaper. Your pointer finger and your thumb are coming together. Think of a printing press. 2 times. Newspaper.